Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Mercedes 2017 Coupe 250 diesel. Basically this car doesn't have any problem, but customer been to the another garage and they said sleeping fault code inside the system regarding NOx sensors. But however, customer need to follow my procedures and the assessment. Then he came to me. At the moment I'm going to plug in and have a look what's going on there. And also another thing, customer told fuel consumption very low. He need to have a look that one also well. But however, I don't have a facility to check the fuel consumption for the diesel car. Basically it could be injector, could be fuel, something not right somewhere, could be timing like that. But however, this customer came yesterday and I'll park this car outside until I'll take into the garage. Then once I go to start the car, little bit hesitate to start the car, take a bit time, chaka 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 chaka, dung, start. I feeling something not right the fuel system, because sometimes fuel system need to hold until start the car, but this one I feeling after 24 hours it's take a bit struggle to start. I feeling something related to the fuel, but to be honest I'm not sure. I'm not worried about the that side because I'm not fully aware of the that side talk too much. But however, I'm going to start the car. Yeah, now it's starting fine, but before it's take a like a couple of turn to start the car, and no any warning light at the dashboard, all clear. Right, I'm going to check faulty codes. I'm going to take a high speed scan report. Right, done. Collision prevent to faulty codes, I'm not bother. Audio 1, it's okay. TPAD touchpad, it's okay, no problem. SD sliding roof, yeah, no problem. And communication control, nothing. Right, I'm little bit worry about the under the engine control, but at the moment no faulty code, you can see it's green. But I'm going to check any sleeping code there, because the customer told me he has a sleeping code for the bank 1 NOx sensor 2. I'm not sure, we'll see. Read faulty codes. See, nothing, no faulty codes. Because he mentioned me he has a faulty code for the bank 1 NOx sensor 2, however nothing there. Next step, I'm going to follow my procedures. I'm going to jack up the car and I'm going to check AdBlue injector hole. Sometimes it can be clog up, most time we can see the it's clog up. I have to clean that one. Then after that I'm going to check the live data, DPF and related things. Before I going to do anything, I'm going to underneath jack it up the car and check AdBlue sensor hole first of all. And once I remove everything, I'll come back to you. Yeah, as usual, it's blocked. You can see inside there is a tiny pinhole there. Then we need to clean that one. After that it's getting bigger. Also, thank you. Also, I'm going to show you tip of the AdBlue sensor. You can see sensor tip also fully clog up. Once I clean, I'll come back to you. This is the crystallizing stuff. Now you can see the hole, very big, no? Is it? Yeah. Now all nice and clean. Then I'm going to install this sensor back. After that, I'm going to took it to the motorway journey. Okay, we clean the AdBlue injector hole. You saw all crystallizing. We clean everything. At the moment, I am not worried about the DPF filling level and everything. Okay, as should be everything. Just I want to make sure the NOx. At the moment, I get the live data for the NOx upstream and the NOx downstream. I want to check the figures while I driving. If it everything okay, I'm happy. I'm not worried about other DPF filling level, temperature sensors all okay, because this car doesn't have a problem. Only the main concern for the NOx sensor. Then I'll already zero the mileage and we are going to head into motorway journey, 20 mile roughly, and we'll have a look after that what's going on for the that figures. At the moment all figures zero. It's need to heat up the exhaust system before the sensor work. After 2.9 miles, now you can see upstream NOx sensor take a reading after 2.9 miles. Basically 3 miles just start the upstream working. Then I had to go another maybe 4-5 miles to get the downstream reading. At the moment I can see upstream reading. Yeah, I'm still continue. We didn't still, yeah, at the local. We didn't enter to motorway yet. Once I enter to motorway, I can see the figures for the downstream also well. Hopefully if its sensor work. We'll see. At the moment too early to comment anything. I'll come back to you once it start to reading downstream sensor. Right, now 4.1 mile completed with the traffic. Now you can see upstream and downstream both sensors work as should be. That's a good sign. Then I'm not worried about the NOx sensors anymore. Then after that I'm going to exit from this menu and I'm going to check the live data for the DPF and temperature sensors. Right, now I'm going to change DPF section. How is the temperatures going to be work, and the I can see filling level now 39%. We'll see what happened in the motorway that figures. Yeah, now I'm at the motorway 70 miles per hour speed. Now we can see the temperatures going up. Right, we went to the motorway journey and complete 20.1 miles. No any funny warning. Then I saw already NOx sensors working. I saw the temperature sensors going up, but however the filling level still 43%, but it's need to come close to the 100. Then it's come down gradually. Right, I'm not worry anything. I'm going to exit from here and check any faulty code for the thingy. See, after 20.1 mile, nothing, no faulty code for the any sensors, no sleeping codes. That's mean that's another good sign. While I driving, I noticed something. This car little bit struggle to rolling. Basically I feeling it's not like a free rolling, something look like a holding. That's why it could be the fuel consumption high. That's why customer complaining fuel consumption high. I want to have a quick look for the, I know wheel bearing sometimes it's doing the like that thing, sometimes brakes is doing the like that thing, sometimes automatic gearbox it's doing like that things. However, I didn't hear any funny grinding noise, wiring noise for the bearing. I'm happy for the bearing. So then I'm going to check temperature hole for wheels. Could be sometime slightly brake binding, that's why the car not moving properly. Could be, never know. However, I'm going to wheel and check the temperature. Right, this slightly corroded. We'll see the temperature inside 49.2. I didn't feel anything to the outside. And we'll see the this side. The side 50.8. It doesn't matter. Right, we'll see how about the back. $37. And this side $57. Right, I feeling could be this is the problem for the more fuel consumption, because have a look again, this disc 56, this side 41, basically 16. It shouldn't be like that way, because I feeling something not right that side. Could be brake caliper, could be slider pins, never know. But I know the answer now, because this car little bit brake holding. However, answer will there. I am going to pass message to the customer. Once he sort out that one, could be that fuel consumption going to be fine. Right, okay. One stone, two answers. AdBlue system, DPF and emission system all fine. He have a slightly doubt for the sleeping faulty codes, but now I'm prove to him he don't have any sleeping faulty code. His emission system work perfect. And second thing, he told me little bit fuel consumption higher. Now you know, front two wheels nice and balanced. This side okay, that side higher. Then I'm going to pass him to message and ask him to sort out that one. Then after that, problem should be okay by experience, I'm saying. Okay, thanks for watching. Now we know how it's going on. This is the my job. Need to do the my assessment, plus need to find out something for the fuel consumption. Now I have both answers. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.